Honorable Sensei, please take a seat. I did not recognize you. Honorable Sensei, please take a seat. I did not recognize you. Please take a seat. I did not recognize you, and I don't want to recognize anyone. I don't want to recognize anyone. That's not a point of order. That's not a point of order, and that's not a point of privilege. Honorable Sensei, ngicela uhlale phansi. Ngicela uhlale phansi nje, Honorable Sensei, ngoba nje mina ngikurecognizeanga, angazi urecognize oba. Angazi nje ngempela ukuthi urecognize ubani. Ma. Ayoni point of order leyo. Ayoni point of order leyo. Ngicela nje uhlale phansi. Hlala phansi, Honorable Sensei, on the State of the Nation address soqhubeka. Please. Honorable Chair. Honorable Chair. Honorable Chair. Please recognize me, Honorable Chair. Honorable Chair. Honorable Chair, please recognize me. Honorable Chair, please recognize me. Recognize me, Chair. Recognize me. Recognize me, Bo. I am standing in a point of order, Honorable Chair. We want to know what are the rules and regulations and the procedures that we're going to follow during this State of the Nation address. We want to know what we must do and what we must not do. So you are not going to change the rules because now you're winning awards. Now you're winning awards and you must withdraw your statement. You must withdraw your statement, Honorable Chair, because this thing is going to affect you. Now you're not going to be able to get awards because now you're changing things in the chamber. In the chamber, please tell us what are the rules that we must follow. Mina Madam Chair, I am standing in a point of order. Why other people, if they talk, you allow them to talk, but when it's for our chance to talk, you discriminate us? And stop saying all of us. You're making us a group now because only people are talking one by one, and you must address those people. Not say now all of us we must leave the chamber. Why are you threatening us? Why are you threatening us to leave the chamber? You are wrong, Madam Chair. You are wrong, Madam Chair. My mic is off. My mic is off, Madam Chair. Someone is switching off my mic. I think it's load shading. I think it's load shading. My mic is off. Please turn on my mic because now I'm standing in a point of order that my mic is off. This is very wrong. This is not acceptable. Switch on my mic. Switch on my mic. Sihlalo. Bengicela bakithi sihlalo ukuthi ke nisinikeze ithuba nathi sikhulume. Ke nisinikeze ithuba nathi bakithi sikhuluma, abanye bayavunyelwa ukuthi bakhulume. Siyacela nathi sihlalo nje sinikeze ithuba lokukhuluma. Angikuzwa sihlalo, angikuzwa, khuluma isiZulu. Khuluma isiZulu sihlalo, mina angifundile ngowale eKZN futhi ngavota ngo1994. Asilwe isihlalo, asilwe isihlalo. Okay, shuthi nifuna ukusixosha. Hayi ke sigcosheni. Zupha must fall. 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 Oh, members, I did not recognize you. Stop saying that. Stop saying Zupha must fall. Stop saying. Please take your seats. Please take your seats, members, so that the president can continue with the State of the Nation address. Stop saying Zupha must fall. Zupha must fall.